Show that curl of gradient of f is equal to 0 for any differentiable function f. We know that grad f is I bar dou f by dou x plus j bar dou f by dou y plus k bar dou f by dou z. Then curl grad f can be obtained by writing the determinant with elements row wise I bar, j bar, k bar. Next the operators dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Then in the third line dou f by dou x, dou f by dou y, dou f by dou z. Then it can be easily written as I bar into dou square f by dou y dou z minus dou square f by dou z dou y minus of j bar into dou square f by dou x dou z minus dou square f by dou z dou x plus k bar into dou square f by dou x dou y minus dou square f by dou y dou x. And this becomes 0 when once the first order partial derivatives of f are continuous. So assuming that the first order partial derivatives of f are continuous, partial derivatives like dou square f by dou y dou z will be equal to dou square f by dou z dou y. That is how we can see that curl grad f is equal to 0. Now let's discuss another problem. To show that divergence of curl f bar is equal to 0. We can express curl f bar as del cross f bar, or you can write it as I bar cross dou f bar by dou x plus j bar cross dou f bar by dou y plus k bar cross dou f bar by dou z. Now we want to apply divergence to this. So divergence of curl f bar is equal to sigma I bar dou by dou x dot whatever expression I have mentioned for curl f bar, that is I bar cross dou f bar by dou x plus j bar cross dou f bar by dou y plus k bar cross dou f bar by dou z. Dot product is distributive over addition, and dou by dou x can be operated on the quantities of the parenthesis. So initially let us write this as sigma I bar dot I bar cross dou square f by dou x square plus j bar cross dou square f by dou x dou y plus k bar cross dou square f by dou x dou z. Now since dot product is distributive over addition, this can be written as sigma I bar dot I bar cross dou square f bar by dou x square plus I bar dot j bar cross dou square f by dou x dou y plus I bar dot k bar cross dou square f bar by dou x dou z. In a scalar triple product, that means where there are three vectors and one operator is dot and another operator is curl, we can interchange dot and cross. Therefore we can rewrite it as sigma I bar cross I bar dot dou square f bar by dou x square plus I bar cross j bar dot dou square f bar by dou x dou y plus I bar cross k bar dot dou square f bar by dou x dou z. We know that I bar, j bar, k bar are unit vectors along the positive directions of x, y, z or the Cartesian coordinate system. The cross product of a vector with itself is 0. So I bar cross I bar is 0. I bar cross j bar, these vectors form a right-handed system. So I bar cross j bar is equal to k bar. I bar cross k bar is equal to minus j bar. Therefore the earlier one can be written as sigma 0 plus k bar dot dou square f bar by dou x dou y minus j bar dot dou square f bar by dou x dou z. We can easily rewrite this, expand this relation to observe that it is equal to 0. How to expand? We have to proceed in a cyclic fashion. Initially k bar is there, it gets replaced by I bar, then it gets replaced by j bar. Similarly j bar is there, it initially gets replaced by k bar then gets replaced by I bar. Then wherever x is there, it gets replaced by y gets replaced by x, y replaced by z, z gets replaced by x, and then in this fashion you have to expand, then we can observe that the total summation becomes 0. It contains one positive term, one negative term, and three such pairs of terms. So divergence of curl f bar can thus be seen to be 0. Actually, we also come across one more operator besides the vector differential operator del. We have got one more operator, that is f bar dot del. What do you mean by f bar dot del? If f bar is equal to f1 I bar plus f2 j bar plus f3 k bar, then f bar dot del stands for f1 dou by dou x plus f2 dou by dou y plus f3 dou by dou z. This operator finds application in fluid dynamics, where while writing the equations for conservation of momentum, or the so-called Navier-Stokes equations, we will find utility for this operator. Let's now discuss a small problem. A vector function is given to show that f bar dot curl f bar is equal to 0. Just it is for sake of practice. What is f bar here? X plus y plus 1 into y bar plus j bar minus of x plus y into k bar. When once this is f bar, curl f bar can be determined by writing the determinant with elements row wise, I bar, j bar, k bar. Second row, the operators dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Then the components x plus y plus 1, 1 minus x minus y. We can easily evaluate this determinant to get minus I bar plus j bar minus k bar. Then what is f bar dot curl f bar? F bar dot curl f bar means x plus y plus 1 into y bar plus j bar minus of x plus y into k bar dot minus I bar plus j bar minus k bar. We know how to find out dot product of two vectors. We have to multiply the corresponding components and add. That means minus 1 times x plus y plus 1 plus 1 times 1 minus 1 times minus of x plus y. We can easily see that that is equal to 0.